and welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at another piece of the Undefeated Nike pack. This time it is the Canteen Dunk. So let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out our membership tiers. We got some great perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. So as mentioned earlier, this again is the second shoe that I will be unboxing as part of the Undefeated Nike pack. This time it is the Canteen Dunk, or also known as On Your Feet Kid. And I am extremely excited to do this unboxing review because it's so different from the Air Force One Ballistic. So we're going to start off with the overview, and then we're going to discuss size and fit, followed by some styling, and then we're going to conclude how these are doing on the resale market. These are doing a little bit better than the Ballistic are, and I think it's because of just the color and the design. I think it's more favorable. So let's just jump into this overview and start talking about the Canteen Dunk. So this is actually kind of basically the same pattern that we saw in the Dunk that actually released in 2006, or not Dunk, but the Air Force One. So again, these have also switched the treatment. So the Air Force One got the Dunk treatment, while this one got the older Air Force One treatment that we saw that was released in 2006. This is a very interesting material now that I'm actually kind of feeling this. So this is what is called a samaj print, and this print is based off of scarves that are worn in the Middle East. So reminds me of actually a scarf I wore when I was in the Sahara Desert, and it's used to really protect you from the wind, the sand, the cold, the sun, basically all elements. So this is a really cool print that they utilize on the toe box as well as surrounding parts of the shoe. This time it's in a nice kind of dark chocolatey brown on the front, and then we've got just kind of a lighter pattern on the front of that toe box. Working our way up, we've got some just simple camel brown laces and just that light brown nylon tongue, again with the Undefeated logo on the front there. So let's get up close and personal with this homage print. So one of the changes I'm definitely gonna have to make is I need to add these lemon frost laces. This is such a beautiful color for the summertime, and I actually like it a lot more than this light kind of camel tone brown lace that they've already put on the silhouette. I think this is just such a nice pop of color. As you see, when we work our way to the side profiles, you're gonna see that just beautiful lemon frost on the swoosh here, again with some more of the samaj print and just more of that light camel brown leather that wraps around to the heel. We've got the Nike on the back in white on that suede that's quite smooth actually. Then we've got the Undefeated logo on the bottom here. As we work our way down to the midsole, it's just a nice kind of cream white tone, and the outsole finishes it off in that just simplistic brown colorway. The insole is done in a camel color as well, with pops of orange for the dual logo of the swoosh and Undefeated logo, and some nice just simple white print. All right, so now let's take a look at those final details. All right, moving on to size and fit. So I stuck true to size on the dunks. I am a 7.5 in men's, and there's definitely a little bit of extra space for me on these, which it's okay because I do tend to wear a lot thicker socks. So also depending on how loose you want your shoes and the type of socks that you may be wearing, that can also decipher what shoe will work best for you. I definitely would say stick true to size on this one, especially if you do like to have a little extra space. I do have high arch narrow feet. If you have flat wide feet, that may actually differentiate what shoe size works best for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. All right, so for the first look, I decided to wear some nice olive tone cargo pants by Ines. You can find those at Culture Kings, and they paired perfectly with both of these shoes. That olive tone just really provides a nice earthy look, and I think both looked very good with it. I also wore just a simple black tank, the one I'm wearing now. If you're interested in buying anything from Culture Kings, be sure to use my code down below to get your pair of free sneaker guards.
Holding your breath still, you jump the fire. We'll just sit and wait till you see me fly. You know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try.
All right, for the second look, I decided to go with an Alice and Olivia dress. That dress worked perfect because it's got this nice camo look, the olive tones and blacks in there. I feel like that camo print was in olive tones. I feel like it works both ways with the greens and the browns in both shoes, but just a nice way to kind of dress up both sneakers.
Then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. Look at them now, all of the noise they make, counting the cards to one. Queen of hearts never breaks. Falling asleep here might just take a while. Trying not to grind your teeth, dreaming to touch my style.
For the last and final look, I decided to wear a redone denim skirt. I think light denim goes great with both of these colors. I paired that with just a nice off-white crew neck, again in that cargo print. I think cargo just works so well with these, with natural colors in both tones, but just for a little bit of a warmer look.
Well, can't say I blame you. Try to come close to, but all you can do. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it,
let me know out of the 3 looks which one you prefer. How would you style both of these shoes? Let me know in the comments down below.
Just drinking themselves crazy tonight. Maybe I should call and say, told you I'd be right. Wondering how long it was before you realized the biggest mistake of your life, and now you're paying the price. Oh, is it confidence or confusion? Either way, I feel like I ain't never losing. Your opinion on how you know just what I'm choosing. I gotta do this, cause I can't fall asleep at night without seeing my dreams. Delusion and reality, I'm somewhere in between. These voices in my head get loud and they keep telling me that I'm a fool for trusting in these wings. But maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Maybe, baby, this what flying feels like.
All right, now let's conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. So in comparison to the Air Force Ones, these are doing a lot better. I just think that this is a more favorable pattern and colorway, especially for this summer, the season that we're in. I do love the Air Force Ones for more of a fall kind of look, but I think these are just a great addition for the season that we're in currently. So these retailed at $120 and they're currently going between $160 to $230 depending on what shoe size you are. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks again so much for tuning in. If you're new here today, thanks so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have so much heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. As well as be sure to check out those membership tiers. We got some great perks on there and an amazing merch store. All right, that's it for this episode. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next one.